what do you think nature is?
Well, everything is basically nature because it comes from nature. Bricks are clay, that's like metal. This furniture is wood. So basically everything is nature. Without nature we wouldn't have anything. We started off with interacting with nature a lot, like cutting down the trees and like making tools. We still do that because, I mean, you can't really make tools without nature or materials. So it's just everything is nature. Every single thing is nature. Nothing's not nature.
Are you nature?
I think of it kind of like that, yes.
Plants, because plants are like in nature.
Outside living things. Plants, trees. What about animals? Is that nature? Wild animals?
No.
Deer? No? Okay.
Do you think that you are nature?
No.
Yes.
People are nature.
I think of like trees, I think of leaves. I think of like the season of autumn, like just the leaves changing and falling.
I think of a forest. I think of lots of trees and leaves.
The outdoors, like our surroundings.
So would you say like all kind of species are parts of nature?
Yeah.
So would you say humans aren't a species?
Yeah.
Well, I would say they're like a different kind of species.
You don't really
Yeah,
think of
like
them
they're
as
their own
natural
like
species.
category.
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
because we treat the nature differently than like animals and plants do.
Something that comes just the way they are.
Something beautiful which is not created by us human beings. It just happens to be here.
How animals like cohabitate with each other.
The oceans, the waters, the leaves.
Living organisms.
It's everything that's not man-made.
Animals, rocks, river or seas. I mean, human beings. The blue sky, the atmosphere, everything.
Nature is life. Nature is important.
Anything that has been undisturbed by
The
man.
leaves, the trees, the flowers, the grass, the animals.
We're carbon-based organisms, and so we came from nature and will ultimately go back to nature.
Nature is nature and is mother of all life.
That's right.
Including us.
Nature is everything. It's all inclusive. I do think it includes everything from where you exist to well outside the sphere of this earth. I believe nature is space. I believe nature is the universe. Because I believe we all, I think it's going to be proved out, true to be true, that we all have a certain number of elements, and those elements on the elemental table are the ones, and that's all we have. And they are the same ones throughout the universe. So we aren't somehow unique in that regard. So that's all nature to me. When we think of nature, routinely we think of life, but rocks are as much of nature as water, as air, in my opinion. Trees, or you look at rocks, or you look at things from other planets, they all come from the same general stuff. So there's nothing, quote, alien. It's all us.